Hi guys, my name is Becca Wilkinson and welcome to Walmart's channel. It's spooky season, it's Halloween y'all, and being the person that I am, I kind of forgot about it and I waited till last minute to pick out a Halloween costume, so I had to run over to Walmart and pick out some items, but I'm going to show you guys how to do a full Halloween look in 15 minutes or less. So to start with, we're going to be using this really cool all-in-one UV kit. It's glow-in-the-dark makeup, tons of really awesome bright colors. It's going to be really fun. We're going to be using some Kiss lashes, and we're going to finish it all up with some Punky hair color spray. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to Walmart's channel so that you never miss a video, and let's begin. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing is a super colorful neon leopard print look. It's going to be super easy and extremely cute. So we're going to start with the little crowns that come in the UV kit. It's a lot of different colors, but we're going to use pink, purple, and yellow. Starting with the pink, what we're going to do is we're just going to put little swatches of color starting about here down to here. It doesn't need to be neat or perfect. We're making leopard print. I'm just going to make a little splotch of color. And I'm just going to repeat this with the purple and the yellow. Okay, so there's that. Now the kit came with a little black eyeliner pencil, and we're just going to outline these in black. Cool, right? Alright, and taking that same purple crown, we're just going to fill in our eyebrows. Oh, that's wild. I never knew I wanted purple eyebrows till right now. We're going to draw like a little heart on our nose right here. Okay, then we're going to outline that in black as well. So I want to make the purple pop just a little bit more. So I'm going to use this paint that came in there as well. And we're going to use this purple color right here. So we'll just get this paintbrush a little bit wet and just fill in that purple. Then we're just going to take that same purple and we're going to draw a line from here to the top of our mouth. Then switching back to the purple crown, we're going to fill in the top lip. So then we're going to use MILANI Black Liquid Lipstick for the bottom. And taking that black pencil that came with the kit, we're just going to fill this in a little bit so that it's a little bit neater looking. And using the same pencil, we're just going to put some dots above our mouth right here. We're almost done. Going back to the paint palette, we're going to use the purple, pink, and yellow. So we'll get our brush just a little bit wet. We'll go with the purple first, and then right underneath our lash line, we're just going to throw some of that purple on there. And then we're going to do the same thing with the pink and then put the yellow in the corner. Alright, so all that's left to do is use some of that fun purple hairspray and throw on some lashes. So guys, that's it. We're done. We have our hair color, our lashes. I found these cute little sequin cat ears. And this came out so cute. I love it. But I know you guys want to see the best part, which is what does this look like under a black light? I am absolutely obsessed with how good this came out. Remember, all these products can be found at Walmart, and they're going to be linked down below. And remember to like and subscribe. They put out new videos every week. So until next time.